In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sky AI in Luminar Neo. Sky AI is designed to detect the sky in your image and replace it convincingly, matching colors, lighting, and even reflections when water is present. It's a powerful tool for outdoor and landscape photos, especially when the original sky is dull or blown out, and it works best when the sky is clearly visible in the frame. Start by opening Luminar Neo and loading a photo. Choose an image with an obvious sky or outdoor background for the most reliable results. A well-exposed shot with good separation between the horizon and foreground helps the AI find edges more accurately. If the sky is mostly hidden or not present, the tool may have trouble identifying it, so pick a scene where the sky is a significant part of the composition. Next, go to the Edit tab, then scroll to the Landscape section and open the Sky AI tool. This is where all the options you'll need are grouped, and it keeps the process streamlined so you can work from selection to refinement without jumping around. Open the Sky Selection menu to choose your replacement. You can pick from built-in options like blue skies, sunsets, or dramatic storms, or you can click the plus icon to upload your own sky image. For the most natural look, try to select a sky that matches the scene's direction of light, time of day, and general mood. A stormy sky over a sunlit meadow can look mismatched, while a warm sunset can elevate a scene taken at golden hour. After you make a selection, give the AI a moment to process. It will automatically detect the sky area, replace it, and adjust the lighting and colors in your scene to match. If your photo includes water, it can generate realistic reflections to tie everything together. Now refine the result. Use sky orientation to nudge the replacement left, right, up, or down so clouds land where they feel natural. Adjust the horizon position to line up the new sky with your scene's true horizon. Increase relight scene to bring the foreground's tones in line with the new sky, and add a touch of atmosphere or haze to unify the mood. Finally, use mask refinement to clean up edges around trees, buildings, and fine details. Zoom in and make small, careful adjustments for the best finish. For a convincing edit, keep adjustments subtle and avoid overly dramatic skies that don't fit your scene. With a good source image and thoughtful refinements, Sky AI can transform an ordinary photo into a striking, believable landscape.